Hello everyone, I'm Ruchika from Success Cities Education. Today I'm back with the latest GK and current affairs quiz जहाँ पर हम 15 से 21 सितंबर 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स कवर करेंगे. इन्हीं करंट अफेयर्स को हमने एक फ्री पीडीएफ में भी कंपाइल किया है एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस फ्री पीडीएफ from the link given in the description box below this video. So let us begin with this current affairs quiz. Question number 1. The Parliament has passed this new bill after getting Rajya Sabha's approval on September 15. तो कौन सा नया बिल पास किया है पार्लियामेंट ने? आंसर इज एयरक्राफ्ट अमेंडमेंट बिल 2020. The Parliament has passed the Aircraft Amendment Bill 2020 after getting approval from the Rajya Sabha on September 15. Lok Sabha had already passed this bill earlier in March. Aircraft Amendment Bill aims to convert the three regulatory bodies which are Aircraft Accidents Investigation Bureau, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security and Directorate General of Civil Aviation into statutory bodies. It aims to amend the Aircraft Act 1934. Let us see question number 2. This country has been elected as a member of the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women. Answer है India. India has been elected as a member of the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women after winning the ballot against competing with Afghanistan and China. This UN Commission is a body of the Economic and Social Council known as ECOSOC, which works to promote women empowerment and gender equality. तो अब इंडिया को यूएन कमीशन ऑन द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन का मेंबर इलेक्ट कर लिया है आफ्टर इंडिया ने अफगानिस्तान और चाइना को बैलेट में हरा दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हु हैज बीन इलेक्टेड एज राज्यसभा's डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन? आंसर इज हरिवंश नारायण सिंह. Harivansh Narayan Singh from NDA, that is National Democratic Alliance, has been re-elected as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha after defeating Manoj Jha of Rashtriya Janata Dal. Question number 4. This person has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Japan. Answer is Yoshihide Suga. The newly elected PM of Japan is Mr. Yoshihide Suga, who won the vote of the ruling Liberal Democratic Party after getting 377 votes. The election was held after the resignation of the former Prime Minister of Japan. Question number 5. Where will IPL take place this year? Answer is United Arab Emirates. IPL will start from September 19 in UAE. The opening match will take place between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. This year's IPL is the 13th edition of IPL season and it has been delayed due to COVID-19. Question number 6. Which bill has been passed by Lok Sabha on September 15 which aims to regulate the food supply of some particular items under extraordinary circumstances? Answer है एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2020. लोकसभा ने एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ अमेंडमेंट बिल पास किया है. ये उस ऑर्डिनेंस को रिप्लेस कर देगा और इस बिल में कहा गया है दैट इट विल रेगुलेट द फूड सप्लाई ऑफ सर्टेन आइटम्स व्हेन अंडर अनएक्सपेक्टेड सर्कमस्टांसेस एंड दीज अनएक्सपेक्टेड सर्कमस्टांसेस इंक्लूड unusual rise in prices, natural calamities, war, famine. Question number 7. Which two nations have signed the Statement of Intent on Strengthening Defence Technology Cooperation during the 10th DTTI Group Meeting? Answer है India and USA. इंडिया एंड यूएसए ने मिलकर एक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इंटेंट साइन किया है डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी कोऑपरेशन को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए. ये 10th डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ट्रेड इनिशिएटिव नोन एज DTTI के द्वारा के ड्यूरिंग साइन हुआ था इन एन ऑनलाइन ग्रुप मीटिंग. Question number 8. Which three nations have adopted a joint statement on the reforms of UN Security Council? Answer है India, Brazil and South Africa. Three nations that is India, Brazil and South Africa इन्होंने joint statement sign की है regarding a common endeavor of the global South on reform of UN Security Council. इस joint statement में इन्होंने further express किया their frustration on slow progress in intergovernmental negotiations reforms. Question number 9. Which company in India has won the contract to construct the new Parliament building after a bid of 861.90 crore rupees? Answer is Tata Group. सो द टाटा ग्रुप विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द न्यू पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग और ये बिड गई है 861.9 करोड़ रुपीस की और टाटा ग्रुप ने इस बिडिंग में लार्सन एंड टर्बर को हराकर ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जीता है. A total of 7 companies participated in the bid after being opened by the Central Public Works Department. Question number 10. Which amendment bill was passed by Lok Sabha to bring all cooperative banks under the RBI? Answer है Banking Regulation Amendment Bill. लोक सभा ने बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन अमेंडमेंट बिल पास किया है और इसके अंतर्गत सारे कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स आरबीआई की सुपरविजन में आ गए हैं. दिस बिल हैज रिप्लेस्ड द ऑर्डिनेंस इशूड ऑन June 26. This bill aims to protect the interest of the customers' deposits. Question number 11. What is India's rank in the World Bank's Human Capital Index? Answer है 116. इंडिया का रैंक 116 है वर्ल्ड बैंक के ह्यूमन कैपिटल इंडेक्स में और इस साल 174 कंट्रीज का डेटा जांचा गया था जिसमें एजुकेशन और हेल्थ का डेटा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Which new disease has been discovered in China, making thousands of people infected after a leak in the biopharmaceutical factory? Answer है ब्रूसेलोसिस. अब चाइना में एक नया डिजीज डिस्कवर हुआ है ब्रूसेलोसिस. After a leak in a biopharmaceutical factory in China, thousands of people have tested positive with brucellosis. It is also known as Malta fever, Mediterranean fever. This disease has symptoms such as fever, muscular pain, fatigue and headache. Until now, according to CDC, the possibility of human to human transition is very rare. Next is question number 13. Which two of the following are the farm reforms bills which have been passed by the Lok Sabha? Options है Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill, Farmers Produce and Trade Bill, Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill, Farmers Agreement of Price Assurance and Produce Trade Bill. तो options है 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 3 and 4, 2 and 3 and the answer is 1 and 3 यानी कि Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill और Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill. तो 1 and 3 ये दोनों वो फार्म रिफॉर्म्स बिल्स हैं जिन्हें लोकसभा ने पास किया है. Two farm reforms bills, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill have been passed by the Lok Sabha. These bills were passed despite protest among the farmers and opposition parties. These bills aim to create a platform where both farmers and traders can sell and purchase farm produce without outside mandis which are registered under the APMC of the states. Question number 14. Kosi Rail Mahasetu and 12 other rail projects have been inaugurated by PM Modi for which state in India? Answer is Bihar state. PM Modi has inaugurated 12 rail projects related to infrastructure development along with Kosi Rail Mahasetu to improve the connectivity in Bihar. This mega bridge was sanctioned by the government in 2003-2004. Question number 15. Where is India's first private jet terminal inaugurated? Answer is Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi has been inaugurated for India's first exclusive private jet terminal by Hardeep Singh Puri, Union Civil Aviation Minister. This terminal can handle up to 150 jets per day and has 57 parking bays. Now we move on to question number 16. Which famous Android app was removed by Google for allegedly violating some policies? Answer है Paytm. Google Play Store ने Paytm ऐप को अपनी प्ले स्टोर से रिमूव कर दिया है. दिस एप्लीकेशन वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर डाउनलोड बट इट वॉज वर्किंग फाइन फॉर पीपल हु ऑलरेडी हैड द एप्लीकेशन ऑन देयर फोन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Who has been named in the United Nations list of 2020 class of young leaders for sustainable development? Answer is Udit Singhal. In this year's class of young leaders for sustainable development for UN's list, Udit Singhal, an 18-year-old boy, has been named for his glass sand initiative. He founded a zero eco-waste system which addresses the problem of glass waste in Delhi. The class of 2020 has a total of 17 young leaders from many nations. Question number 18. Which US Supreme Court judge passed away at the age of 87? Answer is Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was a US Supreme Court judge, passed away at the age of 87 due to pancreatic cancer. She was considered an iconic champion of women's rights. Question number 19. Which nation has allowed the export of onions which were lying on transit ports to Bangladesh and other nations? Answer is India. India has allowed the export of onion which was lying on transit ports in a different part of the country to many nations including Bangladesh. India had earlier banned the export of onion. Mumbai, Kolkata, Trichy and Nagpur were some of the cities where onion was lying. Question number 20. Which commercial COVID-19 test launch has been approved by the Drugs Controller General of India? Answer is Feluda. A Tata CRISPR, that is Cluster Regulatory Interspace Short Palindromic Repeats commercial test launch Feluda has been approved by DCGI after meeting the highest benchmark of 96% sensitivity and 98% specificity for COVID-19 detection. Question number 21. Which famous Chinese video sharing mobile application is banned by the US after being banned in India? Answer है TikTok. US ने भी TikTok को बैन कर दिया है due to national security. This decision will lead to the app getting banned by Apple and Google. However, TikTok will be available to the existing users till November 12, but WeChat will be banned with immediate effect. Question number 22. Who rejected the no confidence motion against Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha after the unfortunate incident at the Rajya Sabha by the members during the proceeding for two farm reforms bills? तो जो no confidence motion चला था against the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha उसे किसने reject कर दिया है? आंसर है राज्य सभा चेयरमैन एम वेंकैया नायडू, who is also the Vice President of India. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu has rejected the no confidence motion moved by the MPs of opposition against Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh. This letter was given on the behalf of 46 opposition MPs against him for violating the norms of parliament procedures. He was physically threatened and rule book was thrown at him during the parliament proceeding of two farm reform bills which were passed successfully by the Rajya Sabha. Question number 23. Which country has to resume its passenger railway services after a 7-year-long suspension? Answer is Nepal. After 7-year-long suspension, Nepal has resumed the passenger railway services after receiving 2 train sets from India. Nepal had ordered diesel-electric multiple unit rail sets from India which arrived on September 18. Question number 24. Ayush Ministry and Ministry of Women and Child Development signed a memorandum of understanding for this initiative. और ये कौन सा initiative है? आंसर है पोषण अभियान. Ayush Ministry and Ministry of Women and Child Development signed a memorandum of understanding for Poshan Abhiyan which aims to eradicate malnutrition. Shripad Nayak, an Ayush Minister, has shared about how this initiative will help to eradicate malnutrition, which is one of the major reasons for infant mortality below the age of 5. तो आयुष मिनिस्ट्री और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ने मिलकर ये MOU साइन किया है पोषण अभियान के लिए, जिसका एम है मैल न्यूट्रिशन को इरेडिकेट करना और 5 साल से कम उम्र की बच्चों की जो डेथ रेट है उसे कम करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Which famous award function in the US was held virtually by Jimmy Kimmel from Los Angeles Staples Center? Answer is Emmy Awards. The Emmy Awards 2020 was held at Los Angeles Staples Center virtually, hosted live by Jimmy Kimmel on September 21. The Emmy nominees attended the live function from their homes. So with this we come to an end of this session of Current Affairs Quiz. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, do hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and for more videos do subscribe to our channel Success CDs Education.